What's up, guys? It's Amanda Lewis here, and I got my friend Tyler helping me with this lovely video today. So iOS 11 came out Monday. I know I'm pretty late, but I did get my hands on the developer beta, and I would like to show you guys some key features that are in iOS 11. All right. So the first thing we know, of course, is the new wallpaper, but one thing that is different is the lock screen. So now, notifications, for instance, you slide up for, and your the control center is all different. You can 3D touch. You have new 3D touch toggles that'll show different things of different settings, and you can also add new toggles via settings. Other than that, there's really not that much different in iOS 11. Siri has gotten smarter. She has a new interface. So for example, what's the weather today?
Here's the forecast for today.
She has a new user interface, which is really welcome here. iTunes stores, the iTunes Store and the App Store have significantly changed. For instance, the App Store has a new interface, sort of like the Apple Music interface. I don't really like this. I don't think this is a new welcome. I kind of liked the old way where it wasn't huge and blocky, but change is change. In settings now, I'll show you how you guys can add extra toggles. So go to settings, go to control center, and then you can add a whole bunch of toggles. So for example, if I want to add alarm, accessibility shortcut, and do not disturb while driving, I scroll up and I have all these new toggles on. Next thing we know that's a little bit different is Mail. Mail as well has a new user interface, and you still have your 3D touch toggles for it. But other than that, there's really not much different here. iOS 11, how do I feel about it? Well, I don't really think it's that much different. I wish we had a new redesign, sort of like how we have for the Apple Store and iTunes Store. But hopefully Siri gets a little bit smarter. There's also another hidden feature. It's called Smart Invert Colors. So now people are saying that this is dark mode. I have to disagree. This is not dark mode. This is just I guess you could say Apple's shortcut to dark mode. So how you go on accessibility, then you go on, if I can find it, invert colors. So classical invert colors has the picture all weird and stuff like that. Smart invert colors, some of the lines of the text are inverted, but like it gives it a clean look. The notification center isn't that bad. The notifications are this is really clean. I actually like this. I wish Apple could implement this for everything that they have. But if I would, for instance, go on let's say YouTube or something, everything's inverted, which is pretty terrible. Messages, let's see. Yeah, messages still stay inverted. But other than that, it's pretty good. I actually kind of like it. Let's see, Apple Maps. Yeah, this is actually a really good welcome look. I actually like it. And the notification center, the control center as well, is also pretty nice. My final thoughts for iOS 11. Well, it really wasn't that much anything big, to be honest. They added more functions for Siri. But other than that, it still holds its fundamental core from iOS 7. Hopefully, with the upcoming updates, that we do see some new features, because, like they said, they're working on augmented reality and AR stuff, and that's for the newer model iPhones. Hopefully, we, some of us software geeks will look at the code and see usually what's next for the upcoming iPhone. Usually we take apart the code and there's be some hidden features in there, and we can hopefully use that to guess what the iPhone 8 or 7s might look like, or what features it might have. Right now, someone did say, rumors did say that there is a dark mode UI kit. So hopefully a developer or a third-party developer does make that, and it'll become like for the whole iPhone. Other than that, iOS 11 here. Hopefully Apple will be able to, we'll see what you have for September. for the iPhone 7s, 7s Plus, and 8. And this is the Minor Lewis. Peace out.